The world's a scary place. Work hard, get more than you need in life because you never know when you may need to call on it.
Fifty, 40, 30, 20, 10.
I kind of think that my face is an external part of the world and doesn't show a lot of what's going on inside. I was seeing my face in photographs, and because living inside my head, I was black, upset, and yet whenever I looked at photographs, I looked fine. I saw strength that I didn't think I had. Because I kind of was in the world of seeing myself as a failure. At the moment, it's great to be alive, uh, but over recent time, it's been very difficult being alive. I say to Karen, Jesus, darling, this is the most expensive flight you're ever going to take, and you can't really enjoy it. And so she's got a jet to herself with all hospital staff. It's a really impressive plane. It's weird to say this, but I kind of had a strange sensation as a little boy because I was allowed to sit in the cockpit as we took the plane off. I would go back and say, sweetheart, I was just so excited. It's kind of unreal remembering that now because just as she's brought down the stairs, I almost felt like I was outside myself looking on an unreal scene. Because at the back of the mind there's, this is the last day I'm going to see you. And she said, you're never going to change my mind. It's not your decision. And I've had enough. I want to go. Come on, let's get on with this. I want to go. I want to exit the arena. She's asked, and she's, yes, please, I want to do it. I want to do it now. And she drinks it. And she's smiling. Within 5 minutes has drifted off to sleep and is very still. It's very calm. And then about 10 minutes later, she stops breathing gently, and then blueness comes to her lips, and she's dead. So it was less than 10-15 minutes, the actual death. It felt very difficult to say that it was a beautiful way to die. And I know when I first said it to people, it felt strange, and some people couldn't understand how any death could be beautiful. But she was confronted with the possibility of months or years of just lying on a bed and just getting worse and more and more paralysed. Whereas she could now go and rest and get away from all of that. I get angry with the church because it seems to me that the church is one of the big obstacles to allowing people to die when they are in terrible pain. Actually, I think we should have the right to choose when we die anyway. I think the worst one was having to spend a whole bunch of money getting a notary and a solicitor together to prove that Karen was actually alive before she could go and die. It's not rational, but I was angry with her for being ill. I was angry with her for making my life difficult. She lost feeling in her lips 10 years ago. Tragically, her legs went. Even though she had no feeling in her lips, she still wanted to be kissed because it's part of being beautiful. It's really hard to kiss somebody who's got no feeling in their lips. No matter how much you love them, it's really hard. No matter what else is going on in life, being able to wrap around each other and just hold each other was just beautiful and skin together. And in that sense, you wouldn't see or feel any separation between the two. I've seen both sides of it. I think there was a period when I turned the camera on myself, that it was helpful because I saw something that I didn't recognize. It's almost like I can see deep monsters below the water, and the water is the antidepressants doing their work. A shiver went right down my spine, and it was like touching Karen. It was like, we were just together experiencing it. I said, I'll be joining you soon. And her riposte was, not too soon, please. Give me a bit of a rest.